Hi guys, this is Jazz from Wi-Fi Demis. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be showing us how to convert our pictures into pencil sketch. Please do make sure you leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Also click on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new tutorials. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and journey with me. So this is the picture I'll be working with for this tutorial. I'm going to drop the link to this picture in the exercise file so that you can also work with it. The first thing I'm going to do is to unlock my layer, and I will name this image. It's always very okay to name our layer. And I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl J, or I can come and click and drag to this plus sign here to have a copy. Yes, just like that. After this, I'm going to come to my filter and click on filter gallery. Under the filter gallery, we have many options. So we are going to come to under sketch. Our picture is still trying to load. So I'm going to ensure I make my picture visible in case yours is not visible also, because it can zoom very wide. So I'm going to make this visible and click on the graphics pencil. So don't go for any other option, go for graphics pencil in order to be able to achieve this particular result. And another thing you must take note of is that your foreground and background color should be in black and white if you want to get a black and white result. And after this, adjust your graphics pen. The settings, the stroke length I'll be using for this particular image is 12, and the light and dark balance is 35. Also, under the stroke direction, I'm working with right diagonal. So this actually depends on you. This slider here, the adjustment here, it depends on the picture you are working with. So for this picture, this is what I'll be working with, and I'll hit OK. So with this, I already have my result, just a click. So this is my picture before, and this is after. So I'm going to come to the curve here and adjust the brightness of my picture so that it will look a lot more real. Just adjust the curve. Exactly, just like that. So with this, you already have your result. Now, in case you want to go further and colorize your picture, all you have to do is to come here and select solid color and give your picture any color that you want. Just any color that you want. After this, you are going to come here and select color under the blending option. So I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to bring it down to, let's say, 40%. Yeah, just like that. So this is our picture before, this is after. In case you don't want red, you just double click here to change the color. Exactly. Come here, change the color to anything that you want, anything of your choice. Just like that. Yeah, this looks so great. Yeah, I believe you've learned something new. Now you can always apply this on your poster projects. You are working on a project and you want the character to stand out, you can always convert it to pencil sketch and see how it works. Please do make sure you leave a comment, and also make sure you share this video and practicalize this to become a better designer. Until next time, see you at the top. Cheers.